Hi, this is wpholder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can ask me for help by email in description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. I'm trying my best and it's easy and free for you. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to manage coupons in Woocommerce website. If my video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation to support me. All info is in description under this video. So let's start. We have some shop, which is just the products. This is demo shops, not real. So let's check how to manage discounts. We should go into WP dashboard and go to marketing, and here are our coupons. Click it. Okay. What I recommend you to do, you should go to this page and read everything. Of course, there is the official tutorial from Woocommerce. But I will explain very shortly and fast, because 90% of information you don't need. Okay, we create your first coupon code. Let's say it's 2023 CP. Okay. Description, it's for you. And after we can click publish and coupon is ready. Magic. Okay, but it's doing nothing now. If you want, you can click generate coupon code and it generates you automatically. You can say use these codes for email marketing or sending users, or you can use it by own in the when you edit the orders. Okay, here is our coupon code. And here we should choose discount type. There is percentage discount, fixed card discount, and fixed product discount. Let's check how they all works. So fixed card discount is for all card. Let's make coupon amount. Let's say it will be $20. Here you can set up the expiry date or disable coupons manually. Okay, fixed card coupon. Here is our coupon. Let's check how it works. So we have our card. We have product which is $40 now plus delivery 15. Go to checkout. Have coupon. Yes. Apply coupon. You see price is 55. Apply. Okay. Price is 35. So fixed card discount makes minus for your discount for your card in this value. Let's try in percents. Okay. You can't use percents here. Let's check in official documentation here what they say about it. Like you can any color you wish, you can select generate. Okay, discount type, fixed percentage. Okay, if you want yes, of course. So fixed is fixed, yeah, obviously. If you want percents, select percentage discount and write here 20. So it will be 20% minus. Let's check how it works. You see, minus $8 now. So it's minus 20%. Let's make minus 99%. Refresh, and we have huge discount. And you can write even 100%. Which will make product free, but delivery will be anyway paid. So, and there is a type which is fixed product discount. Let's check how it works. Fixed product discount in official tutorial, they say it's for specific products. So here is fixed product discount and fixed total discount for selected products only. For example, 3 t-shirts, $20 each with a coupon 10 of a price discount of 30. Okay, let's check how it works. Discount $1, update, And now I think we should go to products. Let's check products, which one we have, new product title. I think this one. Let's scroll to our description, shipping, linked, advanced. Okay, it's not here. So I'm really confused how to add this checkout to the... Let's check. Usage restriction. Okay. What about this one? Okay, so fixed product discount. You write here coupon amount like $10. Usage restriction is like here. You go here and write product which you want to use for this discount type. Like I want title. I want this one. And this one. Okay. One I want, another I don't want. And discount I want $1. Let's click update and see how it works. So we have this product, which is this Coca-Cola. And let's add another one. Okay, let's go to cart, update. And you see coupon makes -$2 because we applied coupon only for this product. I know there's the same title, so it's not really obvious, but we added coupon only for this product. And when you change quantity, for example, to 10, so it makes -$10 because we configured it to be, sorry, $1 per product. But it doesn't work for this product, yeah, because we didn't add here. Same you can set up with percentage, I think, like make it 91%, let's make it 100%, and only for this product, which is our Coca-Cola can. So let's update and see how it works. Okay, so with coupon we get this product with 100% discount. So we need to pay only $5 and delivery 15, in total 20. Okay, you see 5. So let's make it like $10. Okay, for all cards. And here what you have for additional edits, settings. So here is minimum spend. It means when you want coupon to make work, only if user spend like minimum $100. Let's check it. So if user spend $100, they get coupon, you see? But if user spend less, coupon doesn't work. Okay, great. You see, coupon is invalid. So doesn't work. Let's check other settings. You can execute products from the coupon. So for example, you have 5 products. You want to work with coupon all of them except one. So of course it's easy to remove one product from 5 than add all 5s. So you just execute one product like this one. Same, you can add or execute product categories, and you can write emails for users if you have account in your website. So let's check how it works. We add minimum spend and our coupon is 23. Let's refresh. Okay, apply coupon. Okay, coupon not applicable for new product item. You see, it doesn't work because we have this product here. Let's remove here it from this. Apply, coupon applied. So it looks really easy, and I'm not sure if you have some questions. but probably you need to make it like percentage discount and make like 10%, expire today, like I don't know, don't touch it if you want to shortcuts or sorry, coupons for forever, quick update, and that's all you need to do to make some basic coupon marketing. Yeah, so it's like it just works, no some crazy settings, no some weird restrictions, just make it small percent from all card discount. So that's all. I hope this video helped you. Yeah, you can hear my English isn't perfect. I'm a bit tired today, but anyway, I'm trying my best for you. So if you like this video, if my video helped you, don't forget to donate it. Don't forget to write comment, like, subscribe. It's really super me. Yeah. So thank you. Hope your business will go well. And if you have some requests or questions, you can contact me directly by email and we will agree the consultation and we will agree the price or job or anyway. So have a good day. Bye bye.